Welcome to Rising Voice English. Thank you for joining today. Today is day 7 of your daily English practice. You practice English every day. That is a strong habit. Short daily practice helps your brain learn faster. 10 minutes each day can change your confidence. Today you will practice daily conversation, asking and answering questions, speaking with confidence, useful phrases for real life. Listen carefully. Repeat each sentence aloud. If possible, pause the audio and repeat again. Your voice becomes stronger with practice. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let's begin. Part 1. Warm-up speaking practice. Repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? I am doing well today. I feel confident today. I am learning English step by step. Every day my English improves. I practice English every day. Small practice creates big progress. I am not afraid to speak English. Mistakes help me learn. Every mistake teaches me something new. I am proud of my progress. I enjoy learning English. I speak clearly. I speak slowly. I speak with confidence. Practice these sentences again. Good morning. How are you today? I feel confident today. I practice English every day. Mistakes help me learn. Excellent work. Let's continue. Part 2. Daily Life Conversation. In this part, you will practice daily conversation. Imagine you meet a colleague at work. Listen first. Conversation example. Daniel. Good morning. How are you today? Sarah. Good morning. I am doing well. How about you? I am good. Thank you for asking. Sarah. Did you have a busy morning? Daniel. Yes, I had several tasks today. Sarah. That sounds busy. Daniel. Yes, but I enjoy my work. Now repeat the conversation. Good morning. How are you today? I am doing well. How about you? I am good, thank you. Did you have a busy morning? Yes, I had several tasks today. That sounds busy. I enjoy my work. Now practice a new conversation. Imagine you meet a new person. Conversation example. Hello, my name is Daniel. Nice to meet you, Daniel. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you, Sarah. What do you do? I work as a teacher. That is interesting. What do you teach? I teach computer skills. That sounds great. Now repeat the sentences. Hello, my name is Daniel. Nice to meet you, Daniel. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you, Sarah. What do you do? I work as a teacher. What do you teach? I teach computer skills. Very good. Speaking becomes easier when you repeat. Part 3. Asking questions in English. Good communication requires questions. Questions help conversations grow. Practice asking questions. Repeat after me. What are you working on today? What are you working on today? What time does the meeting start? What time does the meeting start? Can you help me with this task? Can you help me with this task? Where can I find the document? Where can I find the document? Who is responsible for this project? Who is responsible for this project? When is the deadline? When is the deadline? Now practice answering. I am working on a report. The meeting starts at 10 a.m. Yes, I can help you. The document is on the computer. John is responsible for the project. The deadline is tomorrow. Repeat again. I am working on a report. The meeting starts at 10 a.m. Yes, I can help you. The document is on the computer. The deadline is tomorrow. Excellent practice. Part 4. Speaking at work. Now imagine you are speaking at work. These sentences help you communicate clearly. Repeat after me. I would like to discuss this project. Can we review the plan? Let's organize the tasks. This idea may improve the project. We should focus on the main goal. Let's work as a team. Now repeat again. I would like to discuss this project. Can we review the plan? Let's organize the tasks. This idea may improve the project. We should focus on the main goal. Let's work as a team. Good job. Part 5. Confidence Practice. Confidence grows with positive speaking. Say these sentences clearly. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I speak with confidence. People understand my English. I enjoy conversations in English. Now say them again with stronger voice. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I speak with confidence. People understand my English. I enjoy conversations in English. Excellent. Part 6. Short story practice. Now listen to a short story. After listening, repeat important sentences. Story. Michael works in a small office. He wants to improve his English. Every morning he practices for 10 minutes. At first, he feels nervous. He worries about mistakes. But he continues practicing. Day after day, his confidence grows. One day, he speaks English during a meeting. His colleagues understand him. They listen carefully. They ask questions. Michael answers confidently. After the meeting, his manager says something. Your English is improving. Keep practicing. Michael feels proud. His daily practice helps him succeed. Now repeat key sentences. Michael practices English every day. Daily practice improves his confidence. He speaks English during a meeting. His colleagues understand him. Practice brings success. Repeat again. Daily practice improves confidence. Practice brings success. Very good. Part 7. Real-life practice. Now practice real-life speaking. Imagine you are speaking with a colleague. Question: how is your work today? Answer: my work is going well today. Question: are you busy today? Answer: yes, I have several tasks today. Question: do you need help? Answer: yes, I would appreciate your help. Question: what is your plan today? Answer: I plan to finish my project. Repeat the conversation again. How is your work today? My work is going well today. Are you busy today? Yes, I have several tasks today. Do you need help? Yes, I would appreciate your help. What is your plan today? I plan to finish my project. Great work! Part 8. Pronunciation practice. Clear pronunciation improves communication. Speak slowly and clearly. Repeat each sentence. I speak English every day. I speak English every day. Daily practice improves my skills. Daily practice improves my skills. Confidence grows with practice. Confidence grows with practice. Clear communication is important. Clear communication is important. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. Repeat again. Confidence grows with practice. Clear communication is important. I am proud of my progress. Excellent. Part 9. Listen and repeat practice. Listen carefully. Repeat after each sentence. English practice helps my future. English practice helps my future. I communicate with people around the world. I communicate with people around the world. Confidence helps me speak clearly. Confidence helps me speak clearly. Practice builds strong speaking skills. Practice builds strong speaking skills. I enjoy learning new words. I enjoy learning new words. Repeat again. Confidence helps me speak clearly. Practice builds strong speaking skills. Practice builds strong speaking skills. I enjoy learning new words. I enjoy learning new words. Very good. Part 10. Daily Review. Today, you practiced many useful sentences. You practiced greetings. You practiced asking questions. You practiced workplace communication. You practiced confidence speaking. Daily practice helps your brain remember English. Short practice every day is powerful. 10 minutes every day creates strong progress. Now repeat these final sentences. I practice English every day. I speak English with confidence. My English improves every day. I enjoy learning English. English helps my future. Repeat again. I practice English every day. I speak English with confidence. My English improves every day. English helps my future. Excellent work today. Final message. You completed day 7. That is a strong achievement. 7 days of practice builds a powerful habit. Continue practicing tomorrow. Consistency builds fluency. Remember this simple rule. Practice every day. Speak every day. Repeat every day. Your voice becomes stronger each day. Your confidence grows each day. Thank you for practicing with Rising Voice English. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing. See you in the next lesson.